Now we've got to put the bearing rates in, don't we? Almost perfect. Now it's starting to sound different. We're getting all the way in. You probably heard me last night editing that video. Cool. Now we're going to put the seal in. Now the seal is in.
Turn the air compressor on.
Now we're going to turn the air compressor on. So we can use the grease gun. Now you got to do the fun bit. Now we've got to pack the bearings, which is kind of the messiest part of the job. Now that's two bearings done. Now we've got to put one bearing in, put the drum on, and then we put the other bearing in. Is that right?
Mm-hmm.
CV spline thing? Is that what you call it? And the brakes.
Just make sure there's no grease oil on them.
Well, that's one thing you don't want, grease and oil on your brake pads. Because they're not going to be brake pads much longer. For some reason this looks like, it didn't look like that on the other side.
Yeah, it's probably spun a little bit on both bearings. Just a little bit. Nothing too bad.
Now I've got to put that bearing on. Once this is on there all the weight, it'll be a lot easier to move.